Welcome to this video on the common applications of hydraulic hoses. In this video, we'll explore where and how hydraulic hoses are used across different industries, from construction and agriculture to manufacturing and transportation. Whether you're new to hydraulics or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will give you valuable insights into their everyday roles and importance. Hydraulic hoses are essential across a broad spectrum of industries. Here are some of the most common and impactful uses. Construction and heavy machinery. Hydraulic hoses power excavators, bulldozers, cranes, and backhoes. They control the movement of booms, buckets, and outriggers. In building projects from Lagos to Abuja, they're vital to machine performance. Agriculture. In Nigeria's agricultural sector, hydraulic hoses are used in tractors, sprayers, and combine harvesters. Whether lifting plows or rotating tillers, they support planting and harvesting cycles year-round. Manufacturing and automation. Hydraulic hoses are found in hydraulic presses, injection molding machines, robotic arms, and conveyor systems. In factories producing everything from plastics to steel, these hoses are the backbone of automation. Oil and gas. Whether it's an offshore drilling rig near Bonny Island or a downstream terminal in Warri, hydraulic hoses operate key components like blowout preventers, pipe handling equipment, and cranes. Their ability to function under extreme pressure and hazardous conditions makes them indispensable. Mining and quarrying. In mining operations, especially in regions like Jos, Enugu, or Ogun State, hydraulic hoses are essential in underground loaders, rock drills, crushers, and hydraulic shovels. These environments are harsh and demanding, so hoses must withstand abrasion, high pressure, and extreme temperatures. Whether conveying hydraulic oil to a jackhammer or powering a hydraulic lift deep underground, durability and reliability are key. Marine and shipbuilding. Hydraulic systems are widely used in ship steering gear, stabilizers, winches, cranes, and hatch covers. Marine-grade hydraulic hoses must be corrosion-resistant and capable of performing in wet, salty conditions. Epoxy Oil Serv and other marine service providers across Nigeria frequently specify specialized hydraulic hoses for offshore platforms, supply vessels, and port equipment. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.